Hi, Steve again from the R.H. Johnson Library, Sun City West. I'm going to go over today how we transfer pictures from our iPhone onto our iPad. It's really relatively simple. I don't know about you, but instead of using a regular camera a lot for candid pictures of one kind or another, I use my iPhone almost exclusively because we get good pictures with it, and it's always in my pocket and it's handy. So I want to show you how the pictures I take on my iPhone will show up on my iPad, and I'm going to demonstrate that by taking you to my iPhone and then over to the iPad. I've got my iPhone set here to see where we stand in terms of taking our pictures and putting them on the iCloud. I'm going to go to settings, and you'll notice on settings right below the search box you'll find your name and information as to what you have set up on your iPhone, and you can see I do have iCloud set in for the phone. If I touch it and move it over, you'll see that I get information that's available on all of the data that I've input. Don't want to go into that, but that will confirm for you. That way your phone is set up for the iCloud. Now this should be done at the time that you have purchased your phone from your data provider. If by some chance you've purchased the phone in the box and taken it home, you can use this screen to set up your iCloud account. The thing that's important is to be sure you use a username and a password that you will consistently use with all of your Apple products. So we've got that set up and ready to go. So what I'm going to do is switch over to my iPad and show the correlation between my iPhone and my iPad. All right, I've switched over to my iPad, and I just want to show you the correlation between the iPad and the iPhone. So again, I'll tap on settings and open it up, and you can see that all the same information that was available on my iPhone is available on my iPad, and you can touch on that, and again we go to the same screen as we had in the iPad, and everything is similar. So you'll be able to see that we do have a correlation between the two. And again, I want to emphasize that for this to work, you need the same user ID and password for all of your Apple products. And what will happen is that when you go to your photos, you're going to the cloud and you're getting all of the same stuff that you had on your iPhone, and it's mutually shared very easily between the two Apple items. And this will work the same way as we did here if you have a Mac, and your photos will show up identical to your iPhone and any pictures you may have taken with it, or vice versa. You can take pictures with your iPad, but I personally prefer the compactness of the iPhone to do all of my photography.